Alright, yo. I'm live. Alright. So I still need to do my daily buys, which I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so let's look here. So NQ and the ES here. So this is all that I still have marked out and still valid because we didn't do anything with this. So we did react off the, I think it's a 12-hour rejection block there. Can extend that out. We still have sell side beneath there, even though ES already took that low there. Let's remove this and this. So ES is more bearish here on this run here, but ES was on this high more bearish. So in the longer term, NQ is more bearish. So NQ is gonna catch up with ES because of that. So we do have an SMT there. So we did already take out this high here. So I won't really see us return back to there, even though we have equal highs up there. We could retrace back there. I don't know really if you do wanna do that because we have a BPR here, which is a singular 8-hour candle there. It's actually a bigger one. So here, oops, it's a singular 12-hour BPR. So we're now in the BPR. We now have 50% as well. That's constant encroachment right there somewhere. So we're at constant encroachment right now. We do still have these equal highs here. Yeah, I don't think we really want to come back to here. Still have this marked out. That there. So yeah, I do think that we want to go more bearish. If you do want to go up more, I don't really think that we want to take out that high. I think we first want to go lower. IPTA 20 also. If you look at the daily, then April 1st here, if you do a look forward, then 20 bars here, then we have a couple more days here. We have like 10 more days from this candle now. So where is it? 20 bars on April in here. So we gotta take out this low before we reach it here. I think we do want to go this week. Let's look at DXY. So this is DXY. So DXY is still holding this turtle soup, by the way, on that swing account. Still down on Tesla, but still on that turtle soup on DXY. And I think we do still want to go higher on DXY. So that means bearish prices on the indices, which comes in line with the bias. So if you look at this here, then this is a, what is it? Market maker buy model on the weekly, you could say. So perfect market maker buy model as well. Smart money reversal, low risk buy here. Consolidation 1, or this is the original accumulation, original consolidation. Consolidation 1, consolidation 2, smart money reversal. So after taking out the first consolidation, we get the new week opening here. And I think we do want to rebalance lower. Where to? Well, let's look at this entire leg here because this one isn't balanced. We did tap in it here, but I think we do want to go lower there. So this candle's still closing, so also have the daily volume imbalance marked out there. Could leave that on there. Alright, so that volume imbalance. Alright, so on the 12 hour we have 1 busy, 2 busy there. So I look for a singular one. This candle is still going, so this is the singular busy, what we have here. That's our singular busy. So I want to see price really retrace to that there. That's a big retracement, but yeah, we could see it. Let's see what we have here. But if we do want to go all the way there, which is, I don't know for sure if that one's happened, but did take out the buy side there. We have a new week opening gap there, just a volume imbalance there. If we do want to go there, then we will have higher prices on the indices. How much higher, I don't know. We'll see. We have Monday. It's Monday today. We do have news. At 8:30, it's already was retail sales, core retail, Empire State Index, and then tomorrow we have Paul speaking, and Wednesday CPI. Oh no, Wednesday no news, Thursday unemployment, and Friday no news. So I don't really expect anything crazy to happen this week. If you do want to retrace all the way lower, let's first see where we roll the retrace here. So we first have this singular busy. If you look at the swing low to swing high, this is like the singular busy in the entire leg here. This is also a singular busy. Price is likely to go there first. I'll just remove it there. And yeah, what else do we have? This isn't even valid actually, because we have this busy here and isn't fully closed there, so it isn't a singular one. We already had the turtle soup, so I don't really expect us to come back all the way there. All the way back there, sorry. Let's see what else we have. Standard deviations for the turtle soup there. Yeah, if we do want to retrace, then we want to retrace into a singular busy, but I don't really expect this to retrace all the way back. So I just looked to swing low to swing higher, and then this busy, because we're really bullish. First I want to see if this busy may want to continue higher after that. I don't know, we'll see. We have this busy here, and we do have sell side here. We did already take that low there, but I think it's just gonna be like a consolidation where we took the high there, took the low there, and we didn't do anything. Like we took the high, went lower, took the low, went higher, and then just bouncing back. So yeah, consolidation day. Gotta be careful, gotta be patient today. So let's mark out the opening here. So 8 more minutes until market opens. Let's remove. No, we don't have it. Alright. So yeah, we have that BPR. So actually what I want to see is bearish prices, but it wouldn't surprise me if we, even though we have news today, ref holder news, doesn't surprise me if we just consolidate around this area here. So yeah, we didn't take any liquidity there. So yeah, those lows are equal there. So yeah, we didn't take any lows here, so we have a lot of sell side here. Perfectly equal lows here. Didn't take all those lows there, so we have perfectly equal lows here on ES. Equal lows. Oops. And those are these lows. Alright, so let's mark out this actually on ES. Hope my mic is actually, yeah, I think it's good. Alright, so let's mark out this on ES. So singular SIBI, we have 2 SIBIs here. 12 hour, that would be, also have a BPR, already tapped in that BPR as well on ES. Where is it? Here. Yeah, tapped in that there already as well. Yeah, what else we have? Yeah, that's basically it. Doesn't surprise me if we, because the only objective now, because this is all balanced, the only objective that we have is all these lows. So from here we should run all the way lower, but I don't think that today is going to do that. But we should. That's like what I'm thinking. But yeah, just new week opening. Just yeah. Let's mark out the new week opening gap as well. Could maybe consolidate after tapping that. Do we even have it? It's really small. That's it. There. Yeah, really small. Could keep it on there, but let's mark it out here. So the, oh wait, did I mark it out wrong actually? Close, open. Where is it here? Close, and this one is actually right. There's no new week opening gap here. I don't even think there is here. Just a really small one actually. Yeah, doesn't really matter there. Yeah, so market's about to open. Don't really, yeah, what I want to see what the open is. We already rebalanced all the way, so let's look at that BPR here. There. Didn't tap constant encroachment, maybe we want to do that. I just want to see what we do with the opening here. We already rebalanced back to equilibrium, did everything really. We have no union because this is not a breaker. We do have equal highs there. Just want to see what happens. My eye. Kind of want this Judas swing to go way higher. I don't know how much higher, like just subjective. Around 0.75 or first quarter actually. Maybe a close, full close, I don't know. See what happens. I bet. Alright, so there's market open. Want to see big wick here, maybe want to go higher. Take out these equal highs, which lowers this liquidity. Or we did already take that on NQ, or yes. Yeah, let's see what we do. So swing low, swing high. Singular inversion here. Do we rebalance to this or do we inverse it? So we did inverse it. Yeah, let's see if today is just gonna be a reversal and continuation. Just a catch up from yesterday. Or yesterday, I mean Friday. There it just goes. So yeah, targeting the lows there. and even lower actually. Alright, let's see what we do here. Pretty slow actually. Yeah, yes, really slow here actually. Let's look at this price action here. So singular Sibi would be only 3 minutes. Kind of retracing up, so if I do want to see like a setup in here, I want to see I'll scum up in here and then inverse a busy on like the 1 minute or something. So like this inversion in here or this entire leg here. And an entry on there. And then something like that. Let's see if ES wants to come up and take out this high here, that we have like a pretty big SMT. Alright, so let's see the Sibi here, only 3 minutes. Let's keep an eye on this. Oh, alright, it's only 3 minutes. Got a new candle here. So it would be only 4 minutes here. We have a singular Sibi. See if he closes. Otherwise we would have a 5 minute. So 10 seconds is 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So now I look at this here because it's the singular one. This is now our singular Sibi. We tap that there. So now that's that leg that which I said. But I want to see like some kind of manipulation. I want to see us go here, rebalance the equilibrium of this, go higher, turtle soup, lower, inversion, 2022 model. That's kind of what I want to see, but yeah, we just opened, so it could also be a Judas swing lower, and I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way higher. Just a new start of the week, and there's a lot of liquidity above here, of course. But yeah, there's more liquidity below here, but yeah, market just waiting for the right time to build even more liquidity. It could be, I don't know. Let's go to DXY. DXY also a big consolidating here. We are in that CB of DXY. We are holding that as well. So if we do want to go lower on DXY, we would be going higher on the indices. Because if we want to respect this, then I want to see these lows actually go even lower, tap that BC there. So yeah, I respect it still. So that would mean higher prices on the indices. And then more generated sell side liquidity. Do have an SMT though. Oh, we actually have equal lows there. Those will get haunted, but when, I don't know. Then also an SMT, but I don't know if I can mark it out. No. Yeah, let's see what we do. Also tap that inversion there, which is on the 4 minute singular one. Yep. So I don't even want to see price really come above anywhere actually. Above here, don't even want to see that if you're really very bearish. But yeah, I do want to see kind of like retrace lower and turtle soup, and then yeah, market looks really slow actually. You know, we have these big candles, does look a bit slow here. DXY is going higher. That's weird, we don't have that gap on the lower time frames. Yeah, we are going higher, so if you could go higher here, then after taking this high, I expect consolidation or just a big expansion. But yeah, what I said, I don't really expect that today, but we'll see. Buy side there. Yeah, so I want to see us go lower then also yes, go lower. And then yes, they're all swooping this high, big SMT with NQ. I want to see us go a bit lower actually, rebalance into here, which would be 3 minute singular one. I want to see yes take out this higher. So we are going lower, but I'm still waiting for yes to take out these equal highs here. And after that I can take a short. That would be pretty nice. We do have an SMT here now, but it's just a really small SMT. Let's see where we rebalance to. 3 minutes also. So in ES, if we create an inversion here, that wouldn't be a weird long, but just the risk score is terrible. Yeah, I am waiting for these equalize to get hit. See where we are in the charts. Don't really see any crazy volume imbalances. We do have one there, but that's a long time ago. That one is balanced. Still going lower, but I still want to see us go higher actually. See where we're going. Yes, going lower. I actually want to see us go higher there. Just don't like these equal highs there. Big displacement. Even bigger displacement. Let's see if we do want to take this low here on yes and then come back in the range, and I'm actually expecting for us to be like the low today to be somewhere in there, and for us not to take out this low here. Let's see if we create equal lows already. We want to take that and then come back in the range. That's beautiful, closing that all the way. Nice. Let's look here. Could be nice long here. Maybe I'm gonna take this here. Just this big move down, just tricking people into the market, and then coming all the way back above. That tells me that we're actually bullish. Let's see, close above there though. No closure above there, but we did close above on NQ. We could still follow on ES. Volume imbalance there. Let's see what we do if we do want to come back there. We also have a BPR here now. Not fully closed. so this is beautiful. Exactly what I want to see. What I want to see. Still no closure above. Alright, so that's a limit order there. Let's see if we get a limited on that. Also, just a stop, just a bit below here. Isn't anything crazy. Just a wide stop, but we'll see. Looks like no retracement. I don't know why it still is in percentages. I want it in ticks. Apply to all. Oops. So we still have those equal highs there. Did get a closure above. Still these wicks here. That's kind of crazy. Market's just really slow. It should have actually went for these highs. Let's see if you get a tap here. Alright, so we do get tapped on that. But I do want to see us go higher actually. Do have these equal highs. Definitely on NQ I want to see those equal highs. And stop could be at break even after we hit those equal highs, but that's definitely what I want to see. Have a nice BPR there. Again, big wicks here. Where's that reaction coming from? Well, we have this here, that Bissy or Sibby. No other Sibbies here. I'm holding until we hit these equal highs, but this isn't actually a trade where I usually go for. I would be waiting at for in the entire leg, just so swing low to swing high. I wait for a singular inversion there. So there, that's my stop to break even. Oops. There. So I'll be stopped at break even there. That's just a manual close. I'll just wait. I would have held to here, but my stop would be at break even after we hit those equal highs. Even though I think we do want to go higher. But that isn't the trade I usually go for. I go for a singular in the swing high to swing low. We have a swing low here, but no swing high here. You have swing high there, but if you look, then you have two Sibbies. So I wait for this Sibby to get also in first. There's also a volume imbalance there, so I also wait for this to get in first. Now it looks like the NQ is going higher, so we still have these equal highs. So if NQ wants to take out this high, then we have a higher high on NQ and then a lower high on ES. So ES would be the better one to short here, because I don't think we will come back all the way there. If I look at the daily SMT, then NQ is weaker, but now ES is weaker on the shorter time period. So even though if it was like a high probability trade, I would have just closed it because we already hit the high there, and then it becomes way lower probability. You don't know if we're gonna come all the way higher. Like I'm just saying like multiple times that I don't even know the bias really. But there are things which, if that happens, then I'll do this. If that happens, then I'll do that. That's basically how I'm trading right now. And you don't want to be in this. Look how slow price is gonna be. Now it looks good, but we could be going sideways after taking the high. Yeah, let's see. Do with these perfectly equal lows there. Still waiting for an SMT, but yes, should be really pushing higher, and then NQ should be like pretty slow actually, because this is the high on ES there. So yeah, if there, this is also why, like, if you don't know turtle soup, like if you see this and we get like a closure back below, how can this be turtle soup if you still have equal highs? Like there's no actual liquidity, like there's internal liquidity, but for turtle soup we actually need to have external liquidity inside of that range as well. If you create equal highs there, then we need to have this high be taken. Because then after, if we just have this, then how can this be turtle soup if we still have liquidity here? Like does that make sense? That's just then you're trading support and resistance, aren't you? That's just support and resistance. That's not how it works. So we are going lower. There's no way near that. This is a turtle soup. Did sweep buy side there, but I want to see these highs. So there's actually there why I didn't mark them out because they're way higher on NQ, and on ES they're way lower. So I want to see ES take out those equal highs, and then I don't even expect NQ to come up all the way there. Yeah, let's see in this leg here. You have a singular one. You actually don't. So if we do want to go lower, then I need to see this get inversed. This really tiny one, but also that wouldn't be a good setup. Even though if it inverses, it won't be a good setup. We do have equal lows, yes, but it won't be a good setup because we still have liquidity there. And that's patience. And look here. That's where I inversed it. Exactly what I said. Entered on this. Like I entered on this as soon as we take out this high, I put my stop to break even, and we got it at break even there. Then market just goes, and you think, oh, I got left out, and now you would be in drawdown. So really slow. There's now a BPR. This would be the order block. There. This mean threshold. Yeah, it looks so bad. Didn't get closure above there. Really slow price action. just consolidating. Put on a 5 minute to show how awful it looks. Looks awful. Look at that. That's so ugly. Ooh, also here. Just look how much consolidation this is. Singular inversion. Close above it there. Take out that high. And now just go lower. Take out that low. Probably consolidate around this area as well. I do think that we do want to come up here. And then we'll now just go lower, but maybe not take out this low. I don't know, we have no idea, but I don't want to be trading this. Looks really bad. So let's see. We got a really big push. Not really. More. be a big wick. Check out these equal lows. Check out the equal lows there as well. Left equal highs. Singular pissy here. See if you want to take that low there. Nice. Go even lower. If you do want to go all the way lower, then I'm expecting this low here. Already getting a retracement. Let's look at this here. Swing high, swing low, swing higher high. Unium. It's not straight entry. -2, -2.5. Unium, not equilibrium. Do tap equilibrium there. Not there.
It's alright, bro.
Alright, let's see. Do this lowers his liquidity. ES has the singular SIBI inversion, but NQ is lower, so we should be taking it on NQ. Let's look at the 2 minutes. Let's see inversion on NQ. See if you do want to inverse it. One minute already closed below. Could be a nice high to turtle soup. So let's see. Not taking the short yet, but I do want to see if he closed below there. If you have displacement through equilibrium of this range, then this could be a nice entry here. Stop somewhere above there. Targeting the low, targeting rejection block again. Constant encroachment. Low. See if he displays lower to equilibrium. Does look like it. I will take this. Final target is going to be that low there, but first let's see an entry. I do think that is a nice height to get turtle souped in, because we have a lot of this range here still. But yeah, this displacement does show me that we do want to go lower. We also have that market maker buy model for in the future. So we have original consolidation, consolidation 1. And then the speed consolidation 2, but also I want to see turtle soup somewhere. Alright, let's see. We did get a tap into that here. But I do want to see the volume balance a bit. Yeah, there's no singular CB here now. There is one on ES. Oh, we already got filled there. Let's see. Let's see if NQ wants to turtle soup that high then. Or you want to respect this BPR. Singular one, there's no singular one. But we do have that BPR there. Did close above it with a tick. So I think we do get it stopped out here. And then NQ wants to turtle soup that high there. My stop goes to break even after we hit that low. I don't want to see price come back up there. But I think we did close above there. So I want to see what price does here. If we get stopped out or we go here. Alright, so I do think this is going to be the manipulation of the 1 minute candle. So for now, go lower. We'll see. Isn't fully balanced yet. On NQ it is. So if this is already BPR, but if this candle is going to be BPR, then it's going to be really strong. But then we need to have a change in state of delivery, which would be a closure below this here, this candle. But I do think that this is going to be the wick. I've seen this a lot. Gonna take like 75% off here. Do want to see like a wick there. There is definitely room for us to go lower. Yeah, this high is looking really clean for it to get turtle soup. Yeah, the entry for this is just be displaced through equilibrium. We displace through an inversion, also close below this inversion, and we carry the BPR with that. So stop out would invalidate the trade here. also already tapped -2, -2.5 standard deviation. But I do think that we want to go lower. And I would say into the rejection block again. Maybe even that low, I don't know. Yeah, there's definitely room for us to go lower there. Here, I mean. Like these small candles. That would be a pretty big drop, I would say. Pretty big candle. So we did take out those lows of those candles. Won't put my stop to break even yet. I'll do that after this low. So there's that big candle. So yeah, definitely holding for that. I wanted to here. Take like I'm in with 6 contracts. I'll take like 4 off. Let's see if we get it. And stop to go to break even after hitting this low here. But because we should displace through this low, there's no reason for us to retrace again. We already did that. So closing below this candle here would make it a BPR again. Maybe I won't put its break even yet. Give it some room, put adjustment stop lower, but not fully break even because we have a SIBI here. If you don't have a SIBI there, then I will put its break even, but looks like we will create one. So there's that SIBI. That should bring us lower. Way lower actually. Just want to see it actually. Again, pretty big candle. Projecting. And then also closure below here would be change state of delivery off of this SIBI. And also closing below here would be change state of delivery of this SIBI. So order block and then order block. We are still going higher. So I don't think there's a reason for a price to go higher, so we could be stopped here. They create equal highs there. Should be going lower. I don't really want to see it go way higher. There's not really a reason for me to trace it lower or trace a bit lower. We'll trace it all the way lower. Just make the stop smaller, because there's it would just invalidate the trade. There's no reason for it to come back up there again. Oh, actually, no, I will put it there again. Sorry. First need to get a change state of delivery. Sorry. That's the BPR. See if you create perfectly equal highs there or not. I will enter on the turtle soup if we get a nice setup after that, like a nice change state of delivery there. So yeah, we did use this as support. Don't like that. We did create nice equal lows. We did already take it on yes, but still. So this candle is a BPR because this already closed below there. But still, this isn't a order block yet. These consecutive candles. Let's see what we do though. Yeah, really nice high to get turtle soup. Probably will take the short on ES because ES is way lower. NQ is higher. If NQ takes a high and ES doesn't, then you have a nice SMT. ES shows weakness, and then we can take a nice short on ES, targeting lowers, lows somewhere at these equal lows. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we are in the second stage of reaccumulation. So that's something that we could do, gotta remember. So if we should, maybe I'll trace it a bit higher here. Not there. Just a bit higher. And I'll risk 0.25%, like which I actually wanted to do. There. Because then I allow for internal to get swept there. So let's see. So I allow for this high to get swept, not this high yet, because this is the swing high inside of the accumulation. So you could just see it like this. You could see it as like a window we're looking at. This is external, this is internal. We sweep internal, go lower, leave external, then go lower. So this should be the turtle soup. We should see reaction lower now, or we will get stopped out. We do have an SMT there. See if this does want to hold. This would be the internal sweep. Let's see. Still not stopped. One tick. Do have an SMT here. Perfect equal lows though. Alright, there's no way that that was the turtle soup. Yeah, exactly what I said, but there's no way I didn't get stopped on that. Alright, let's see what we do though. We did get a closure below this volume imbalance, so we should be going lower on ES. But there's no change in state of delivery here. There's no nice entry here. But yeah, that is the turtle soup though. Will I enter on this? Let's see. Then I need to enter in that volume imbalance. No, I'll just leave it. But yeah, that's the turtle soup there, exactly what I said. Just like that. But yeah, now we need to see this, of course, get in first, and this would be a Reaper then. So we disrespect it. We take out the high of that Reaper, or of that Sibby, sorry. We go lower, and then we shouldn't have it as a Reaper. 2, 1. Alright. If there's still an entry without keeping that low there, that could be a nice entry. Put a sell limit on there. Stop the break even at equal lows. I'll be targeting way lower on yes as well. I'll just need to figure that out. I don't know where. We'll see. See if you take out that low there. So we did close below there. So now it's a closure below a BPR. So now it's just a BPR. But if we do want to go lower and retrace then it's a Reaper. Oh yeah. God, it didn't get stopped with a tick. One tick. Got shown mercy there. Alright, so did close below. We took out these equal lows there, so I don't want to enter on this. So we have a nice SMT there. That's nice, but still. So I do want to see price go lower. NQ, let's see where NQ goes. So or where ES goes, so NQ could follow. So we do have that SMT here. I don't expect that to hold. I do expect ES to come there as well. And maybe go even lower. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, so definitely these equal lows there, but from there I want to see us go lower actually. But yeah, we could sweep those lows, maybe retrace back inside of the range somewhere. I don't know. Let's see what we do. Yeah, this is the turtle soup. This should hold for us to go way lower, of course. We're now retracing back inside of a SIBI on yes. Let's see if we do want to go lower. Price action is pretty bad here. We should go way lower. If you get stopped and it would invalidate the trade, then it's totally fine. We're taking a loss there. Great, perfectly equal highs there actually. Alright, see if this reaction brings us lower. Brings us into that BPR. And after this I'll be done for the AM session, like it's almost 11 AM. Most of the time I trade until 11:10, but just so much chop here. Let's see. Alright, there's a nice drop there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So we took out that low there on yes, but what I said, I still want to see us go lower. Into that SIBI, definitely into that SIBI, and then we have those equal lows there. So that's a bit lower, so NQ should follow at least to this low here. So yeah, there's no reason for us to get retraced back into the stop there. I will leave it here. Maybe we could get stopped at break even, but really don't want to see anything crazy. So yeah, we took out that high there. This is now the order block. All these consecutive candles. Let's see, only 2 minutes if you have a singular one. No. So all these consecutive candles is the order block. Even a wick. Yes, even a wick. So above the high there should be fine. Don't want to put it at break even yet. Why not? Because I allow price to come back, even though I don't want to see it. I allow price to come back to mean threshold. So that's that BC there. So that's TP1. Now we could put the stop for break even. But I want to hold a bit higher. So I'll take out one more contract off of the rejection block again. So just rejection block high, why not constant encroachment? Well, if you go to constant encroachment here, because we already tapped it there, I want to see us go all the way lower to there. So I really don't care about constant encroachment, even though it is standard deviation. Even though we have that standard deviation, sorry. Yeah, that's all basically. And then just I see a really nice market maker buy model coming. I don't know when, but maybe after taking IPTA 20, I don't know. So yeah, I still want to see price go lower. This is now the reaction off of this here is now the reaction of that singular pissy, which I said. But it doesn't make sense if we already took that low, so we already had an SMT there. We already took out, or we already tapped that for ray gap, that pissy there on ES. So it doesn't make sense for ES to just tap that there and then go all the way higher. We could come higher now, but I just want to see retracement. I won't put it to break even yet fully. Also here is that SIBI. This should hold. If we get a closure above, only 2 minutes, I will watch it. If we get a closure above, then I'll just take it off manually. But we should have to stop at the high of the FEG of the candle, so that's all the way there, only 2 minutes. And it's a singular one, so there, go way higher there. If you get stopped at break even there, then it's fine, but or not yet, but if you get stopped out there, then it's fine. Is the Reaper. So there it is. That's the Reaper reaction. So swing high, swing low, swing higher high, swing lower low. That's a breaker. But we have a SIBI there. So didn't respect the SIBI there. Didn't respect the PPR there. Go lower, and now that Reaper. So this should hold still. And we should go way lower. I'll even add to it. Add to my position. If we inverse it here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Output, it's a break even now. We already tapped the Reaper there. If you wick a bit above there, then it was just invalidate trade. I don't care. This Reaper should hold. There, that's the Reaper again. Nice reaction again. We are retracing higher on yes. Does it also have a Reaper? No, you have an SMT there. Do have that singular Cibi though. There. So still in the trade. Tapping the Reaper. Really nice one. We should inverse this. I'll add to the position. Targeting even lower. And it's still in discounts. Yep. From where I'm expecting price to go. So there. I don't know how much I should add to this. Like half position there. Let's see, retrace, bit more retracement. Maybe I'll set a limit order on here. Switch my stop to there. Let's see. That's a nice reaction off that Reaper. See if you get a limit on here. Should definitely take out these lows here. So still allow for price to go lower, and then you also have equal lows there. So let's see if you get an entry on this. I don't even care if it inverses here. That's just displacement already showed me enough. So we still have a stop here above the Reaper. It's totally fine. See if you inverse it. So we did inverse it. So we should be running lower now. This should hold. If we want to go way higher, then these wicks should hold. We shouldn't even come back to that Reaper. So let's see. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, that's that singular one. That Cibi should also hold. And TP goes all the way there. Stop won't be break even. I'll just be holding and looking at ES. And then I'll send an alert on here when we take out this low here on yes, because then I should be watching price if we want to reverse or anything. Should be running way lower. We even inverse this here. And even these wicks should hold. Goes back above. Still, I don't care. We do have that Cibi still. Should be running way lower. We have equal lows there. This is balanced, but we do need close below to create a change in state of delivery. But yeah, I do want to see price go way lower actually. Let's look at DXY. DXY is big consolidating. Let's see where DXY is going. Looks like there's a yeah, should keep going higher then. I don't know where we got I don't know what really or reacted off really. Just mark this out here, just simple. I won't do any crazy analysis on DXY. So yeah, we should be sorry. So you tap that BC there, so we should be going higher. This shouldn't be a turtle soup. Let's see if we have a singular in this leg here. So here. That's a singular Cibi. We have buy side up there. So if this should be the turtle soup, then we should see reaction way lower right now. And then we should also inverse this entire leg here. We should go way lower, and then that would invalidate the trade on the indices. But this isn't a turtle soup in my opinion, so we should be going higher on DXY, and that should mean we go lower on the indices. But beautiful price action actually. So yeah, yes going lower and Q is following, and then after equal lows get hit, maybe I'll take a contract off. I'll even be buying 3 contracts here. At that rejection block again. Rejection block high perfectly to the T. Yeah, alright. So I just want to see NQ or ES actually go through this low here, through these equal lows. And then let's actually look further on ES, what we have, because we should go way lower. Yeah, we have IPTA 20, of course, here on NQ. That should hold. If we take out this low, then we definitely go to IPTA 20 as well. But yeah, we could consolidate after tapping a rejection block again, just leaving more buy side liquidity, because we also have this beautiful market maker buy model, sell side of the curve that we're creating now. So we have original consolidation, we have consolidation 1, consolidation 2, you have equal highs above there, sweeping internal, go lower, and then we also have that rejection block again. So I'll take contracts off of that rejection block. Maybe want to leave more liquidity if you look at the 12 hour. Then we have that rejection block of the 12 hour. We tapped constant approach from there beautifully, and we could just generate more liquidity there. Again, taking out this high on NQ, like in this week, I don't even know, but could be. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, still didn't take out that low. Should definitely take out that low. Another SIBI there. Should get respected. Don't want to put my stop at break even yet. Alright, so yeah, I got a closure above there. Taking out that high and see if he gets stopped here or that these wicks will hold. Do have an SMT here. See if that holds. I'm in with a 0.11% loss there. If we do get stopped out, but I think we definitely want to go lower, but if it's the right time now, I don't know. We'll see. These rejection block, these wicks, this Reaper should hold. Let's remove all this here. Do have a nice SMT there and see if that holds. So SMT there, marking that out, and see if we get a reaction after that. So yeah, NQ shows again that's weaker now. So maybe I'll even add to the position if we create a SIBI, even inverse this. Maybe I'll even add to the position. Let's mark out IPTA 20, that's extended here. Oh, I already did. Let's see if we want to go lower. Beautiful. Nice. Go even lower. See if create a SIBI on here. Then I'll even add to that. Or if we inverse it. See. Alright, so fully close that there, so there's no SIBI. See if he inverse this leg here. Beautiful, going lower again. Just fell short of that Reaper here. Yeah, it just fell short of it. Yep. So that's just a turtle soup. Let's see if we inverse that here. Looks like we are going lower, so looks really good. 5, 4, 3, 2. I don't know what. Yeah, nice. I will market order on there. Stop still above there. I think I'm 0.25% in now. Yeah, I just want to see price go lower now. Take out these equal lows. I'll take a partial there. Yeah, but I want to see price run way lower now. I don't even know what the risk toward to this low here is, but should run lower. I want to see ES run to these lows, and then NQ should run way lower. Pretty choppy price action because we already should have went way lower. But yeah, time rewards. Patience rewards. So yeah, if NQ of if ES is gonna inverse this here, then it's done. then it's over. Then there's no turning back. So much showing that we want to go lower. So yeah, I do have a PPR here. There. Let's see here. Should definitely run these lows and go even lower to these equal lows. So I'm still holding until we hit these lows on ES, because these lows are way lower. Or wait, are they? Oh, they aren't. Right. So that alright. But still. Should be going way lower. Should be going through this here. Nice. Now use it as an inversion there. I'll take a half position off here. Take like 2 off here. 1 off here. And then leave one running to IPTA 20. Because on the bigger time frame, NQ is weaker. If you look at the daily, NQ is weaker. Should run IPTA 20 first. Why should it run IPTA 20 first? Because it's a bigger time frame swing low. Let's go to weekly. Where is it? It's basically this low. We already took that, but still. Bigger time frame low, we should be going way lower. If NQ is even more bearish, and these daily candles should go way lower. Alright, let's see. Should be going lower here. Don't like these wicks though. Should have got a closure below this candle still. That would just follow it up. I want to see equal lows here. Alright, so we didn't get a closure there. So I'm gonna actually take positions off here. Let's see what this candle closes. I'll take like a big amount off here. I'll take like 5 off. If you get a closure above this candle here. I want to see a closure below for it to continue. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Alright. So I'll take 5 off there. Put it to break even. That would invalidate all these limit orders, of course, but that doesn't matter. I don't want to see any retracements. Look how many retracements we've got. So now I'm only in with 3 contracts, so I'll definitely take a contract off here. Definitely take 1 off there. Then leave 1 running to IPTA 20, and I'll take another 1 off at constant encroachment again. So singular Sibi in this leg here would be here. So I don't even want to see us come up to that wick. So my stop is above there. Sibi there. So nice reaction off that Reaper. Just nice price action here. Nice price action. Should run lower. This should respect. So I don't even know how much we're up right now, but it's looking alright, I think. So we're up 550 right now, and still position running. Yeah, that's nice. Nice, nice. So there's still room for that PPR, but now not anymore, because we have a singular Sibi here. So this high should be holding. This high should be holding if we do want to go lower. Don't want to see any turtle soup because we already had that. We already had manipulation. So I want to see ES actually go lower, and we already took that low on NQ. So this isn't already a crazy low. Oops. So there. But yeah, we should be going way lower actually. Mondays with no news are just finishing the job that Friday of previous week couldn't do. So that's like they're busy there. We should be going way lower. Let's look at a rejection block here. Because ES should go to that rejection block and then give a reaction or not, but should be going there. Let's lock it. Take it there. Let's look at the XY. So if this was a turtle soup, then that should already have happened, but we're just consolidating right now, so that's fine. So they got the equal lows there. We should be running through those. Shouldn't be giving any reaction. I talked about the equal lows, which I want to see, and then I look at NQ, what price is going to do there. But I was talking about the equal lows, but it should have been the rejection block higher. So this should be definitely the target where we want to go to. So I could even take the limit off there. And then ES should go to the rejection block there. And then I'll take a partial. Because there's nothing for ES to go to, because we already did on NQ. So I look at it is ES is stronger, right, because of that daily SMT, and then ES is weaker, right? So if ES is stronger, then in this pattern here, if you go lower, say this is NQ, this is ES. I'm actually doing it wrong here. So this is NQ, this is ES. So if NQ is lower, is weaker, and already took out this low here, and ES didn't, and ES is stronger because it made the higher high, and NQ already took that low, then ES should react off of anything here. So let's say rejection block here. So ES should hold there because ES is stronger. So here we get no reaction here. And why not the liquidity? Why can it react off liquidity? Well, if there already has been liquidity taken on one of the indices, then then we should have a SMT already. So let's say NQ already took this low, then we should see a reversal now because ES is stronger. So ES shouldn't come to that low there. We should have a reaction. But if ES comes lower and also takes out that low, then that means there isn't going to be a reversal, because if there's an SMT here, then it should be an SMT lower as well. So yeah, I'm waiting for the reaction block to get tapped there, and that's what I want to see on ES, and then I'll take a partial on NQ because ES is stronger. If you get a reaction, I don't care if you get a reaction, I'll just take it off because this is a possibility where there could be a reversal. Why not the constant encroachment? Well, first, price could react off that rejection block, just the high, not the constant encroachment. So first, I want to see the high, and then if you want to go lower, then I want to see a constant encroachment. So we did take out these equal lows, but I just want to see a small retracement. Maybe get a turtle soup on NQ. Does look like it. If it gets stopped here, then it's totally fine, but I'm still, if I was in a trade like right here and my entry was all the way up there, then there's no reason for me to get, I don't know, doubt myself there. Do you create perfect equal highs? Let's see if that's generate liquidity for later. Or if you want to turtle soup that high and leave external there. So then again, we have external there, leave an external there, sweeping internal, but we could also be generating more liquidity. Let's see. I think there's going to be like a turtle soup here because ES is now lower and we have these SIBIs here. Oh, NQ already took that. So I think this is going to be a turtle soup. Why is this going to be a turtle soup? Well, NQ is all the way higher here. So if NQ is going to take, it's going to make equal highs and ES is not, then that's just liquidity for right now, and that doesn't make sense. I don't know if that makes sense actually. So again, that would be the turtle soup. If we get a closure below here, then that would be really safe play. I won't add anything to it, but still. Closure below would be change state of delivery. We have 5 more minutes and we're inside of that kill zone now. So if there's gonna be put it one tick above here. I already did. So if we get a closure below this candle here, because it took out the liquidity and this is a bearish order block, then it would be safe to trace my stop above the high there. And then these candles are the order block, not just this candle. I take the wick as well. So if this is going to be a bullish candle and we get a closure below this bullish candle, then this is the order block. But I don't think, I don't think this is going to be a close candle. Let's see actually. Alright, so it is an up close candle. So if we get a closure below here, then this would be the bearish order block. And then it would be a singular order block candle. Why? Well, there are no other candles. So closure below here would make this a bearish order block. This isn't meet threshold. Why not? Because we didn't get a closure below that. So this, you could see that, oh, we tapped meet threshold. No, we didn't. We didn't get a closure yet. Validating this as a bearish order block. Does that mean if we get a retracement inside of this, if we go lower, if we get a closure below this order block, does that mean that this high is going to be intact because we tapped meet threshold there? No, that doesn't matter. We could still take that high, and that would also be considered tapping mean threshold. So if we just wick it here, then that would also be mean threshold. And look at that beautiful reaction. Look at that. So now on this here, these dots here, closure below the opening price. Now this is validating this as a bearish order block. Should actually make this a different color. That's just for something else. If we do want to retrace back, doesn't have to. If we do want to retrace back, then this is a bearish order block, and we should see price react lower. So we did get a closure below there, so my stop is now perfectly safe above this high here. Won't trace it above me threshold, even though ICT says it. I still see a lot of cases where it just wicks all the way to like 0.75%, and then yeah. Is it safe to have your stop at 0.75%, so the first quarter? No, it could be going even higher. It could be creating equal highs, so just stop on that high is totally fine. Because if we create equal highs, I don't know if you get stopped, but if you would like, you could have one tick above, but most of the time it doesn't come back there. So let's see if we tap it here. So now we close below the opening price here, so that would make this a bearish order block. Does that mean that the order block begins at the opening price? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Let's make this yellow. Alright, so this is now a tap in the bearish order block, and look at that reaction there. So we should be seeing prices lower actually now, because we still have liquidity below here, and this isn't the point where the smart money reversal is gonna happen, because that's the rejection block, which I just marked out. Let's see if it actually is though. Biggest candle on the biggest time frame, not the daily one. 8-hour one, no. 4 hours lower. 2 hours lower. But I mean lower is the rejection block would begin there. So I look at the biggest time frame. No, 12 hours is the biggest one. So I'm confident with ES hitting the top there, because that's the actual rejection block high. And I don't know where. I'm gonna make it this color. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see if this is marked out well. It is. Let's lock it. So yeah, I'm looking at ES. ES is gonna decide where I'm gonna take partials, because ES is stronger. If ES is stronger, then the sharp smart money reversal should happen on ES earlier and higher. So does that make sense? Yeah, I explained it already. So, but yeah, that's this is the order block reaction there. Beautiful there. As you can see, this wouldn't be the order block there. Like, where's the reaction? Nowhere. There's the reaction. So we should be seeing way lower prices. Macro is about to not end, but the opportunity where macro could form is ending. So yeah, totally fine if we get stopped out here. That's totally fine, but I do want to see prices run lower. Should be running lower. This order block should hold. Take out the high there. Let's look at mean threshold here. Let's zoom in. Mean threshold, go higher. Let's see if we have a big wick or we get stopped there. Go higher. Do have an SMT there now. Big wick. Let's see if it respects mean threshold. If it doesn't, then most likely this isn't going to be safe. Doesn't mean it always have to. If we get a closure above, it doesn't 100% means that we're going to get back up there. Doesn't mean that, but the chance that it is going to hit it there, that's it's going to be bigger. Exact percentages, I really don't know. So yeah, we have another SMT there. So now NQ is showing it's weaker. So NQ should go way lower. And then ES should follow. And then if ES wants to reverse off of here, then NQ will do that as well, but deeper inside of this entire leg on the left here. So that's why my first TP is at constant encroachment. Yeah, again, that mean threshold there, and what I said, like literally what I just explained. But if your stop is at a first quarter, you would be stopped here. If it's at the high, then you would be safe most of the time, 99% of the time, and the 1% of the time you get stopped at perfectly equal highs, and then price runs. But that's 1% out of 100 times. But yeah, we should be running lower. I'll just hold my position. How do I want to see price really confirm it? I won't enter, but if price can confirm it, it will be by having this FMT, of course, and if ES versus this volume imbalance. If ES versus this volume imbalance, then I have more confidence of it going lower. Yeah, really nice consolidation here. That's consolidation 3. So you have original consolidation, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, consolidation 3, consolidation 4 actually. And then on a bigger time frame, yeah, you could say like, no, consolidation 4, I would say. A smart one reversal would be somewhere around the rejection block, I would say. Don't think we want to go all the way lower. So I'll take like most of my position off. Leave like one contract running to up to 20, and I'll take like all my position off at like constant encroachment, maybe even minus 3.5 standard deviation. That's just ES is deciding where I take my partials. Because again, ES is stronger. It should have a reaction. If you have a reaction here, then NQ should follow, but it will do it lower. So fell short of mean threshold there. That's totally fine. Don't really do all these markings on the lower time frame. Doesn't really matter. So that's just constant encroachment of that rejection block here, but it doesn't matter. Again, have another SMT, and Q is still showing that's lower there. And then where would be change state of delivery, because if this is the turtle soup, right, then where would be change the state of delivery? Well, it would be all the way here to this low. But yeah, let's see what we have. So yeah, the macro is closed, but that doesn't mean that the macro is actually closed. It means that that the entries in the macros aren't closed. So if you would still enter, then it would be outside of the macro entry point. So let's see if you want to run lower. I'll set an alert here on the rejection block there. Beautiful. And don't really expect it to go way lower, so I'll check price, keep watching the rejection block high there, and then also have like a alert for CE. I don't know how long this trade is actually. Where did I execute? Like here? I don't know how many minutes that is, but let's see. I've been in the trade for 53 minutes now. Again, retracing, don't want to see that, but it's fine. Should be running way lower. So again, we're in that CB then. Not again, but using that volume balance as an inversion. And what I said, if this is going to be the turtle soup, we did get a close below here as well. So entire candle, I take the wick as well. That's actually mean threshold. You can see that as mean threshold, but just trust me on that. Rejection block or block, mean threshold. There, boom, boom. Closure below there, but taking it all the way there. But the closure below is there, so this is not the order block. That's mean threshold. Also, that volume imbalance perfectly overlapping, and now we should run lower. Now we should actually run lower. NQ already or rebalance also to that SIBI, so we should definitely run lower. My stop is totally safe above there, and it's even not break even in profit, so there's no loss for me to take here today. So beautiful today. Still aren't running lower where I wanted to see. Oh, we tapped the main threshold there again, didn't even notice. Didn't tap the BC there. So let's see. So that's what I mean. So NQ is lower because you can see this high to, or this low to this low, like NQ is lower to that low, then ES is there, right? So NQ should go way lower before ES is actually coming to here. So that's why the partial or the take profit is going to be bigger. So yeah, this is basically TP. So yeah, yes, NQ is really close to that rejection block. We should have like a small reaction, but nothing crazy. And we should see run price lower, or price running lower after hitting that. But you will see some kind of reaction there. I will zoom in a bit. Damn, so slow. Boom, that's TP. So that'll be one contract there. Even though there isn't a reaction right now, I'll take one contract there, and that's the reaction which I said. That's just one contract, I don't care about where. But smart money reversal could happen here. Like, look at that reaction there, that's beautiful. There also beautiful, but we should run lower into mean threshold. Constant encroachment, sorry ICT. Look at that reaction, that's beautiful. When do I consider a smart money reversal? So when do I think that there's gonna be a smart money reversal ball? I have this marked out on yes, and when I think there's gonna be a smart money reversal happening, it isn't gonna be at any time. It's gonna be happening at a specific time, so it's gonna be at lunch hour, not right now because there's no macro. It's gonna be at 11:50 to 12:10, and then from 12 to 13 because that's the lunch hour macro, and you want to hunt liquidity there. So any of those times. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'll be holding this position here. I will be expecting for us to run this low, maybe go even lower. Yeah, and I'll be setting like a timer on like 11:50 macro because we could see a reversal on that macro. Yeah, let's just see what happens, and what confirms that macro that there's actually going to be a smart money reversal in that macro. Well, if you close above the mean threshold here, if you do that earlier now, then I'm not concerned. But if you do that inside of the macro, inside of 11:50 to 12:10 or 12 to 13, then I'll just manually close it. If you close above mean threshold now, then it's alright. If you get stopped out there, then it's alright, but just following rules. So look at that reaction there. That's beautiful. Look at that reaction of rejection block. High. So yeah, explain everything here. If you get a closure buff here, then I'll just still hold it. If we get a closure buff inside of the macro, then I'll manually close it. And if anything doesn't happen there, then I'll wait until this TP gets hit, and I'll be running it to IPTA 20, but I really don't expect IPTA 20 to get hit. So I'll look at the yes, and if you're running again to that mean threshold, or if you're running way higher, then I'll just manually close it again. Maybe I'll take my full position off somewhere around this area here.